So this is a Phalaenopsis orchid, quite easy to grow, bright indirect light, so usually like an east or a muted west or south window with sheer blinds. Does like to go dry in between each watering. It's usually about a week for most Phalaenopsis, depending on the size of pot they're in. They should be regularly fed all year round with an orchid fertilizer, preferably something with a high middle number. If it is not specifically for orchids, I would personally cut the strength in half. So I said 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon. And allow the water, when you do water, allow water to completely out through the bottom. After it finishes dripping, put it back in the window. And they're good, easy to grow. One of the easiest orchids to grow out there is a Phalaenopsis.